Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Sauder Motors. Today I have a Class C motorhome for you. This is a 2015 Itasca, we don't know, Cambria. It is a 27K, it is by Winnebago. It is beautiful, we've got full body paint, we've got 2 slides, and we are gonna open it up right now. Then we will show you the outside, and then we will show you the inside. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the Itasca opened up. As you can see, we got this nice full body paint. We're under the outdoor space here, the power awning. We've got an LED light strip up here. We've got outdoor speakers. The outdoor entertainment system is in the back, and we'll show that to you in a bit. We've got hookups here for TV if you like. The flush mounted windows. Coming around to the front, this is on a Ford chassis, so we got the E450. 29,000 miles on this one. I'll show you the odometer inside. We've got great profile up there. We've got lots of tread on the tires. Here is our generator exhaust. So here's the generator. The Cummins, the 4,000 watt generator. It's our main slide in the main living area. It's got our booth dinette on it, which we will show you once we get in there. On the slides, you will notice we do have slide toppers. Storage in this compartments here. Got your electric hookup. In the back, we've got our backup camera. We've got our hitch and hookup there, and we have a huge garage space with side entrance. There's your hookups for the cable, there's your hookups for the water pump, all of that stuff. You've got lots of room, especially on a shorter, like I said, only a 29-foot Class C, but we've got a lot of space in here and a full-size spare up there. And then on this side, we have more access, but then we also have our outdoor entertainment system, which gives you your DVD player, CD player, radio, all that jazz. So that is the exterior. Oh! Second slide right here. This is in the bedroom, and we'll show you how that looks once we get in here. So that is the outside. Let's go take a look inside. Alright, come on in, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I'm standing under the skylight here. This has a day or night shade, so that blocks it off very nicely, and all the sun in my eyes. Before you get too far in here, let's show you the controls down here. We have our automatic landing gear, which is extremely handy to have. And then we have our awning controls and our battery disconnect. So, very nice magazine rack. Alright, so up here, obviously this is the main living space. Behind me, the booth dinette, then we've got the kitchen. But we're going to start up at the front with the cockpit area. Got a nice big screen over there. As you can see, 29,200 miles on this guy. Nice big screen. You've got your battery options up there. Comfortable leather seats with the armrests. There is a curtain that you can put up to cover the cockpit area at night for privacy. And then as you look up here, this does not have the bed option. We've got storage. We've got surround sound. We have got more storage on the side. Right here we have our booth dinette. Nice comfortable leather. Obviously this table will drop down. You can sleep to here. Overhead storage, always nice. And then across from that is the TV. So our TV is right here, and then we get the kitchen. So you got a lot of nice countertop space for prep if needed. We've got the DuPont Corian countertop. We have got a double stainless steel sink. We've got a 3-burner stove right here. foam. This one does not have the oven option on it. Instead, you get some added storage space, which is needed in a shorter RV like this. Nice, solid wood cabinetry, plus our metal runners, high quality, a lot of good storage space. And then because we don't have our oven, we have got our convection microwave. Surround sound above. Here we've got our control panel. So this is for our slides. Turn off your slides. This is our one-place system, which is running the generator, all of that, the tank system, all of that. So great system to have for your Class C. Bathroom. Actually a very spacious bathroom, nice practical layout for a small Class C. You've got your sink, you've got plenty of room for the toilet, and then a nice shower with the skylight. So, and then a power vent as well. We've got our air conditioner, and the thermostat is right behind me here. And on this side, we have our Norcold fridge freezer combination, and this is set up for gas or electric. A refrigerator, freezer, and I wanted to point out this nice space-saving, but also very practical storage in the pantry here. Got the drawers on the runners, so you can fit a lot in a little space, which is our goal. Then, master bedroom. We've got our accordion door here on the runners. We've got a TV set up over here. Nice thing about this slide out, like I was saying outside, is one, you get space around the entire bed that you can walk, but you get very deep and very practical wardrobe space. I could sleep in there. I'm not gonna. So deep storage there, deep drawers there, very practical, very handy, and this setup here also allows you to have a nice wide open headspace. You've got the reading lights up there and deep storage space up top there. And we have got a upgraded mattress. So this is actually digital. It's the Luxury Support brand, but it is a digital mattress that you can adjust the firmness of your mattress, which is fantastic. One last thing I want to point out is we do have a slight dome on the roof here, which is very practical. We keep the water off of the ceiling, also gives you a little bit of headspace, makes it a little bit less claustrophobic in here, gives you a nice feel on the interior. So, that is our 2015 Itasca Cambria 27K by Winnebago, 29 foot. If you have any questions about this RV, please give us a call at Sauder Motors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.